Hello folks, welcome back to Oman Tales.
So today our destination is Lulu Hypermarket. Nothing special which all of you always may be going. But I thought there are some offers which I felt really good this time, and I thought I should highlight them over here. This coffee powder, which is for 1.59 for two of them. Normally one is one real 100. And this biryani rice also seems to be quite economical. And yeah, there were a lot of other offers. I think it'll be good if y'all can go during the weekend, because I'm not too sure how long these offers would be there. And I bought this pan for 4 riyals and I felt it really worth. And then coming to the dry fruit section, there was ajwa dates, which normally we find it for 6 riyals. I was pretty surprised to see it for 3 riyal per kilo. And I think it'll be good to stock up some of it for the Ramadan. And there were roasted cashew for 2 riyals and whatnot. And then coming to the frozen section, the fruits section of the frozen, I found something very new this time, that there were pulps of pineapple, and I really don't know what this fruit is, but it looks almost like custard apple. So you may like to go and try. And there was also frozen papaya. So I think those of you all who would like to make some really good fruit juices or fruit smoothies, I think this section would be useful to you all. So this is another thing I found new this time, which I've never noticed. So these are the packs that I'm trying to show to you all. And this was that section. Other than that, there's a lot of offers going on in many of the areas, and there was some sauces for 850 paisa, which I felt again was quite cheap, because normally we get those for 1 riyal, 6 or 7 of them. And this section, I don't know if you all have noticed, this is next to the vegetable section. This is actually, it has got most of the healthy stuff, and stuff like maple syrup, flax seeds, all of it which comes at a pretty reasonable amount. But while going through it, I was not too sure whether it is, whether it's an offer price or it's just the normal section. So you find all kinds of sweeteners, stevia, truvia, I don't know which else there is. I hope the ones who require it will be able to have a look at it. Those who are on diet and who are really health conscious, I think this section is completely for you all. And I even found a bread. I don't know what kind of bread it is, but it's 3.5. I would never ever buy bread for that rate. But those of you all who are looking for something really, maybe, I don't know if it's protein or what, some sort of bread which is maybe really liked by the English people. So see, it's just next to the vegetable section. And then coming to the meat section, nuggets have offers, sausages have offers. And one thing I felt that was worth was the quails, which I saw frozen quails at 1.79, which is normally I think 2.3 or something. So all of these things were quite exciting to know and looked quite cheap. So I don't know if it happens always. And oh yeah, this is only maybe during this Friday, Saturday, so you can rush to the hot food section also. Seems like there's something really good there. I could even find veg fried rice for 500 paisa. So anyone who's really hungry during lunchtime, rush to Lulu and get that fried rice. Okay, so now whenever I finish my shopping, I usually search for the counter where I find this guy. This guy is always available in Lulu most of the time. I've at least found him. I think, I don't know, mostly when I go there, this guy is there. And the way he rushes and takes stuff from our counter, I think it's really worth mentioning here. Okay, so this one and this guy, his name is Muhammad Abdul Rahman. I just asked him for the first time and I find him to be so good. He just comes rushing to take all our stuff and then he puts it all into the covers. Whereas we don't find that with all the people who are there. Some of them just, try not to focus too much on the customer. But this guy is always available, and it's not just with me, with every customer. I've seen him run towards them to try and help them out. I think he's worth mentioning over here. He's a staff of Al Naba, and he's been for 9 years in Oman. I just talked to him today and got to know that. So I think hats off and a big clap for this guy. And after the purchase, the last was this sight of cute little children come to Lulu like as if for an excursion. So happy shopping and happy place.
Thanks for watching, like, share and subscribe.